Imagine shrinking down to molecular size and literally traveling through the arteries and veins that map the inner life flow of our body, gliding through the web of neural pathways in our brain, the highways of thought and ideas. Magic? Perhaps. From the moment we enter the room and set eyes on the web colossus, we are overwhelmed with awe and wonder. This labyrinth of resin-covered cotton threads of varying lengths and widths evokes our internal and external universe, which are maybe one and the same. This installation is you, this is me, this is we.
Once there was a set commitment to do this installation project, I started going through that initial stage of seeking inspiration. When one gets very alert, one gets into a state of awareness, trying to absorb all stimuli around, trying to grasp that unseen, unique angle or that twist on reality that could become interesting. Both mind and hands get activated. In the studio, I submerge into an experimental search with different materials and techniques, while in my mind, the search is to find that concept and idea that will define this installation project. As I engaged further into these explorations, possible leads and hints began to appear. I started noticing my own thought processing patterns, the ongoing streaming of ideas, the constant flow of flashes of thoughts that were crisscrossing in the mind, changing, multiplying, mixing with each other, sometimes forgotten. It all gave for a very dynamic, exciting, and overwhelming state of mind. So I started researching the nervous system, brain activity, filaments, fibers, tissue, organic growth patterns, synapse, and so forth. Text and images helped me shape the way in which I could visually present this intangible, though much felt space inside of us where our body communicates with itself and where signals and impulses are endlessly traveling through, maintaining us as functional human beings. This excitement for new ideas and the eagerness to bring them into the studio and turn them into something visual completely took over everything else. So I became aware of it all, of how it felt running through me, as if I could feel its flow inside my own system. And it dawned on me that this very process of trying to find a concept for the show could actually be the concept itself.
We have created a tailored cycle of videos that integrates elements of fire strokes, burning charcoal, and water ripples to inject life into the web and basically generate visual movement. For the next stage of FIBERSPACE, we would like to incorporate a three-dimensional audio system that will be activated by sensors as the observer passes through.
With a site-specific installation, you never really know what you're going to get until the installation is actually installed in the venue. And I think in this instance, it's been amazing. It is an experience to the senses in every sense of the word. And I think that, you know, it's large, it envelops the space, and it's changed my gallery. I've never seen the gallery in this light before, and it is very exciting.
Claudia's installation is to be experienced. If you let them, your eyes will understand. Your body will understand. You will know. Without verbal language, you will know.